just in case today on the 4th of July 2023, this is Kolmas linja 23 TSA, and I've filmed the TSB also before, but I'm not sure if I did a bad video here in the TSA, so try to get 3 hours here, or 2, but because it's MP6, I built in 1960. Turned 60 years old in 2020, and the simple is a shade factory too. It's going to be especially in 2025. It's here in Kallio, but Helsinki as far as also in Finland. This should be in Swedish.
Yeah.
Strange.
But let's see if somebody's coming.
Strange.
Yeah.
Because normally it says members on 1 floor, but
Yeah.
so let's see if it stops now. No. Nobody there.
Yeah.
Nobody is coming.
Yeah. Then no memory still, but expected by Kivas that made it by Kone. Yeah, but strange.
It was a really strange glitch.
Yeah.
But that made the video of this staircase for me to say even better.
Yeah.
Because I hate
That-
that
yeah.
one right.
Let's see if it's going to go to the fourth floor.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
Nobody caught it, but yeah. And now it's going to go there again.
So thank you very much for watching. That's it.
that